Alas, I couldn't. So I don't want the night here for like two. I ordered tomato. I it later on. Yes. Impatient on my end. Enough time passed. Quite long. We have like 3 days left. Look who's back. Exam. Main hurdle is done with. Excellent. So on. I'm finished. It could be a wet mark. Gorgeous. Maybe the biggest disappointment ever. Khichdi. What is the term? Is it the high? The thrill? We are going on a trip. Packing this body. And this day and the moment. Oh my god, oh my god.
In a day, I'm a very obedient daughter.
I am obedient.
No comment.
खुलेआम सरेआम बोलिए. Or extra leg room. Constantly dozing off. You know you're sleepy, girl. A delusion are you under? Literally pinch myself. We'll pass. Torture is over. Better days. Bye bye. The camera was about to fall, guys. Anyways, it's Tuesday. Yesterday it got so late. We returned back by like 8:30, and I was so exhausted. But then my mood had significantly improved in the evening. So while shopping, and I even wanted to shop for myself, but alas, I couldn't. So I came back, did all of the stuff that I was supposed to order on Nykaa. I forgot to order that. And then instead, I ordered it on Blinkit because I was like, I don't want the Nykaa guys to be canceling on me again. There's some problem with that. They keep on canceling, or like the delivery person, they did not even call me. Either way, like it creates some issues when I am ordering things of Nykaa. So I got it from Blinkit because all of the items are available on Blinkit as well. So let's do a little Blinkit haul. Here we have it, the entire thing. Oh my god, almost removed my entire lip balm. Anyways, a little haul. Wait, let me do it one by one. These two masks, this one's for my mom. The tan one, I'll tell you guys how it goes. I will be rating it by the end of it. So, I've never used this one. O3 Plus. I don't know. I've never used this brand before. I only order Tony Moly. Tony Moly because I ordered 3 of theirs before like 2 weeks back and loved it. I ordered tomato, aloe vera, and rice sheet mask. And then this time I was like, I might as well experiment. I got the lemon one, and the other two were not available. I did not want to do rice this time, so I was like, might as well do lemon. I've not used this one before, so we'll see how this one is afterwards. We apply. Then the other two is like a nose strip. There are like 3 of them inside it. Yeah, here. I think I won't be applying them right now. I'll be applying it later on in the week, probably Friday or something. I'm struggling. Yes. And the last is that pimple patch thingy. I used Nykaa's before, and then I ran out of the Nykaa pimple patch. So I was like, might as well order a different one. I don't know how it worked. It removed the pimples. Some of them did, but like a few of them did not. Like it just removed a little piece of gunk. I think I see a pimple going on this side of my face, so I'll probably use it there. Oh wait, it's like that. Okay, it's bad. Like this thing, this sticker is what packs it basically. There are like 36 pieces inside it. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Wow, I like this. Let's see if it's actually 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36 pieces it is. There are mini ones which are really good. I like the mini ones because for the Nika I had to literally chop it off because they were too huge. So I used to cut it, but these ones are nice. Anyways, we'll be using that and we'll see how that is. And the thing with Nika is that it was in plastic, like this was the packaging of it with Nika and all that written inside. So I feared losing the entire, like this entire plastic film which had the pimple patches, but this has a box, so it's nice. I can just put it inside it and then put it somewhere else. Yeah, this is also like one night kind of a thing. I think I don't know how that no strip thing works. We'll figure that out later on. But yeah, that is it for the mini blanket haul. I was glad that I got all of the items. There was one more thing. I did not want to get it from this company. For I was planning on getting the no strip this company, this one, but it was not in stock, and I wanted the items delivered yesterday itself. I think that was a little impatient on my end, but I think yeah, it was a little impatient on my end, but whatever. Anyways, enough time passed. I need to get back to studying. So we'll do that. And you guys will see me because I want to be accountable this time. Wait, let me put this away. I can't take myself seriously with these things around. And I also wanted to order them yesterday itself because I had to do a little shopping. Come on. I haven't done some shopping in the longest time ever. And I had to. Guys, I have to. I couldn't control myself. So I was like, might as well get these. This vlog will be quite long because I've been recording it since a hot minute. Like it contains like the entire week of all of my exams, so it's relatively much longer. I don't know. I have no clue. Anyways, guys, we gotta get back on track. So I'm gonna go learn because can't mess the exam tomorrow up. It's gonna literally be like my third exam for a major paper. We're gonna go study and I will see you guys later. You guys keep me accountable, alright? I'll see you guys later, an hour later, at least after I'm done with one answer so that I get that momentum in me and I get that productivity in me and I can't mess up tomorrow's exam. Because when I think about it, I only have like 3 days left. 3.5. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and that earlier section of Friday. And that is the only time that I have to actually study. So I'm not considering the minor paper right now. It's on Monday. I have not even started preparing for it. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. बट खराब નથી કે મેં કે એના મજાક નથી ઉડાઈ રહી. Look who's back and happy and all over the place.
Me.
This is way later. This is like literally today. I just gave. I can't tell you guys how much. Guys, who is back?
Me.
I am back. I am back. My last exam today was my last exam. No, wait. My major, like we had 4 papers, right? So the 4th paper was today. I just gave it and I just came back home. There's another one that's left. That's on Monday. A minor. But it's a minor. We will handle that. But the main hurdle is done with. 4 papers are done with. Let me tell you about the 3rd paper. The 3rd paper was so excellent, so amazing, so excellent, so fantastic, fabulous, gorgeous. I don't know how a paper can be gorgeous, but it was gorgeous. The 3rd paper was gorgeous. That's it. That period. Full stop. Did not record the third one because I was so busy for the fourth one. That was like today. I was so all over the place for the fourth one. Mentally, I was like, I'm gone. I'm finished. I couldn't sleep. Within 5-10 minutes, I was like waking up again and again because I couldn't sleep. Like the tension in my brain almost fried it up. It was that ridiculous, the paper for today. But I mean, it was better than what I expected. It was better than what I expected. I told my mom in the morning, I'm like, I basically warned my mom that maybe there could be a red mark, but fortunately, that is not the case. And it is not my final week. The finals have ended. The battery ran out. I went to have my lunch. I feel much better, honestly. I woke up today morning at like 3:50 something, and I have been basically running around since then. And it's 2:55 right now. It's 2:55. But I still have things to do after this, and I have a minor on Monday. But besides that, third exam was so fantastic, so gorgeous, gorgeous. The third exam was gorgeous, fantastic, every single possible adjective that you can find. The fourth one, after that, I did not have the time to record after the third exam because I had so many things to do. Directly fast forward to today, I just gave the fourth one. Basically, I had not anticipated that the paper would be okay because I told my mom that maybe there could be a chance I get a red ink on that paper. Maybe, perhaps. So she just looked at me like I'm the biggest disappointment ever. And I was like, I mean, you've been warned previously. Like, you are aware of the consequences, basically. But fortunately, that is not the case. It went much better than I anticipated. I thought that I might just end up sleeping through that thing because I would not know one thing. But I did. It was such a, I would say, khichdi in my brain in the morning because I was like all over the place and I couldn't remember the specific dates, like sections and the dates, especially prominent thinkers and all of that stuff. I could not remember all of them, but I did end up writing a few. So there's that. Definitely proud of myself for remembering. Okay. I'm super happy. And I don't know where I'm getting this energy from because I woke up at 3:50 and I haven't slept since. Is this the high, right? Like, is that how? What is the term? Is it the high, the thrill, the excitement of getting done with your paper? I mean, yes, bro, I got it done with, but I have things to do, and it's going to be 3. Oh my god, my brother came. It's been raining and I need to get back to my thing. So you will be doing that. Hello guys, the vibes are not vibesing. Vibes are not vibesing. So apparently we are going on a trip. I would not say it's trip in that sense, but yeah, because I have that exam on Monday and this was a surprise and we are now going to the airport and I'm going to take you guys along. It's a very short kind of a trip, but let's go. Before that, I have some packing to do, so we'll be doing that, and then we'll be traveling. Yesterday, I went and did all of that stuff, like all of the few things that I had to do, and then today morning also, it was so hectic, so busy. Everything was like all over the place. I came in, my mom had already done all of this stuff, majority of it. I just got ready because I came in late. Now we are just waiting for some time and then we'll be going by 4:30 perhaps. But before that I have to pack. So we'll be packing. We will be packing now. We're going to be packing this body. Yes. So let's go. Wait. Never mind guys. I was not able to pack. Look at this rubbish. That's right here. Because I was not able to pack it properly. So we're going to just do it properly like this. Insert it in this cellophane bag because I don't have another option. I don't know why I kept it till the end day and the moment. Oh my god, that's so typical me. Anyways, it's being packed up like this now. So yes, there's that. I'm gonna remove the seal gone. Camera. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. Done. See, ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. I mean, not the best packing, of course, but I don't have an option. Can't pack. Hi guys, we're traveling. Look at this labubu. My mom crushes it. So now we'll interview my mom about how she made and all of that stuff. How long did it take for you to make this?
Within a day,
Within a day. Oh my god. Who forced you to make this?
obviously you. You are after my back.
Oh my god. Do you want to say something else?
Nothing.
She's anything nice to say?
I have a very obedient daughter.
I am obedient. Anything better?
No comments.
This is खुलेआम सरेआम bullying. Daylight.
में ईंधन और सीट बेल्ट खुली रखें। धूम्रपान और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों क्विक डिपार्चर। थैंक यू।
Do we feel off, guys? Like the seat beside mine is empty, and the one like in front of us is also empty. A lot of them are empty, so I'm asking my parents like, should we spread away or something? So it's good that there's no one here. I can just sleep or something. Hello guys, we've boarded the plane, and now, so guys, we've boarded the plane, and fortunately, the seat that is beside me is empty. So we're occupying like basically. I'm occupying basically two seats, and my dad is in front, and I have my mom beside me, and then all of our. And this is the vibe, and I feel much better. The vibes are vibesing.
हमारी एक्सेल सीट शुल्क पर
Enjoy extra legroom. I love that. I love that there are like empty seats here, so we can just spread off. The one that we flew in. The mic is not working, guys. So I'm just talking like this. Like the flight that we flew in was very constricted, and we did not have space. But right now there's like so much leg space, and because the seats are also empty, my mood is much better. So we'll be fine, and I'll see you guys later. Good night.
And I didn't know your lead cabin crew member. We've taken behind. We are connected to next world. तभी इंडिगो ब्लू चिप मेंटेबल फ्लाइट मोड में किया जा सकता है और नाम को
So I came back from the exam center, and I was trying my best to not fall asleep because we came. Okay, so basically we came back. The flight landed by 12:55, and we came back by 2. And we gave up. We just slept. I woke up again at like 5:34 something. I don't remember exactly, but the entire time I was up, I couldn't open my eyes. I was like constantly dozing off even back home. And when I finally got some information in my brain, it was a good thing that this paper had some interconnection with the papers that I gave, like my major papers. It was interrelated, and I had some knowledge about it all, and I could write something at least. I reached this center, and I was trying my best to keep my eyes up. The first hour was so difficult, and I forgot to drink my water bottle. Like, you know you're sleepy, girl, but despite that, you're not carrying your water. What makes you think that you'll be up? What makes you think? What kind of a delusion are you under? How delusional can you be? I can't. I had to literally get water from like the person sitting adjacent to me, and I had to literally pinch myself in the exam center. I had to pinch myself to keep my eyes from shutting because I was so sleep deprived. The exam was basically given, Jesse, Tesse. We'll pass. We'll pass. Anyways, the torture is over. I don't know how we got over it, but we did. So I'm grateful for that. Now we have better days. Anyways, so I'll see you guys next week for a brand new one. This is the end of a long. I think it started on the 13th of August and ended on the 25th of August. That's beyond 10 days, bro. I'll see you guys next week for a brand new one. Till then, I'll rest. I'll go have some sleep. I'm sleep deprived. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.